This is the Elixir Easy Fit screen protector for the Apple Watch Ultra. And we're going to be showing you how to install it on this Apple Watch Ultra today. So in the box, you'll get the Easy Fit frame. You'll get a little squeegee. Then obviously you'll get a cleaning pack, which consists of a wet wipe, a microfiber cloth and some dust stickers. Finally, you'll also get the screen protector as well. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is remove your strap from the Apple Watch Ultra. Simply do this by pressing the buttons in and sliding the strap out. Then you're going to want to turn off the Apple Watch Ultra as well, so the screen doesn't light up during the installation. Now, grab the installation frame, pop it in there. Then you can grab the cleaning kit and grab the wet wipe out. Once you're happy that the screen is cleaned, grab the included microfiber cloth and make sure you remove all moisture from the screen. Once you're happy that there's no moisture left, grab the dust stickers and gently dab it on the screen to remove any bits of dust. Once you're happy, grab the squeegee and the screen protector. And the screen protector has a certain way that it will go onto the frame. So make sure that you have it the right way up, with the larger hole at the top of the Apple Watch Ultra. Once you're happy, turn it around, peel the protective backing from the screen protector, place the top end on first, the top tab first, then grab the other part and place it over the bottom tab. Then you can grab the squeegee and work your way down the screen protector, starting from the very top and then pushing all the air bubbles out the bottom. Then when you're happy, release that bottom tab and peel the protective layer off, which will reveal the Apple Watch Ultra with your new screen protector installed perfectly well. Then simply turn on the watch, reinstall your Apple Watch strap, and then use the device without any worry that you're going to scratch or damage the display.